Hi there. This is an introduction to the disability services at the University of Dundee. So, the disability services are based in a building called the OTI building, and it's behind the Tower building on the Perth Road. It's Dundee University's main campus, and if you needed an appointment, you could just turn up at reception, or you could phone 01382 385 402, or you can email disability@dundee.ac.uk. The appointment could be here, or it could be in Nine Wells Hospital, or it could be at the campus in Kirkcaldy. The disability services staff are really friendly, they're very professional, and they've got lots of experience in various areas. Everything's treated confidentially. And if you're having a meeting for the first time, you might be wondering what to expect. Well, you get a friendly and a warm welcome, everything treated confidentially, and you get advice which would be completely matching your needs. You could discuss any problem that might occur during your course. You could be sorting out funding or whatever.